Oops! Bad colors do not exist.
Hey!
I want green. I want blue.
I want red. I want purple.
Oh. Oh.
I don't like this color anymore.
What? Oh no, red flag! Swimming is forbidden now. What?
I want red. Red, orange,
Yellow, green, blue.
purple.
Yay! Let's go to the playground! My color is blue. My color is green.
My color is red. purple. Huh? Shh.
Let's change.
I love colors, but I love my friends more.
Kit and Penny are playing in the pool.
Oh no, Pete! Our colors are gone!
How will they get their colors back? Penny, you look different.
I'm a ladybug now. Cool!
I want to find a color too.
Look!
Kit, it's a black and yellow bee. There's a chipmunk on your head.
Oh no!
Kit's colors changed.
Oh no!
Kit wants different colors. Zebras are black and white. And so is Pit. Penny wants to try. She picked the orange and brown giraffe.
It's even better!
Now Pit wants to be a tiger. Tigers are orange and black.
Yes!
Now what will Penny choose?
I'll be a predator too!
She wants to be a leopard. Oh no! Penny needs help. Penny lost all her color. Look, kids! It's a colorful juice machine.
Wow!
Kit picked a red juice. His legs are red.
So cool!
What will Penny pick? She picked yellow.
Yummy, yummy!
And her legs are yellow. They want to try all the colors. They've become rainbows. Uh-oh, they need the potty. They've lost their colors again. Jumping on a square gives them color. Oops! Now you have too many colors. Maybe Mommy and Daddy can help.
What's happened? We can get our colors back. Well, that we can fix.
Mommy and Daddy saved the day.
so sad, I want it back. Jerry, please help me out.
Is this your color?
No, it's not.
What about this one?
No, no, no. Here it is, we found my color. I'm so happy now.
I am orange, look at me. I love my orange, orange color. Little carrot, oh no, no, I don't see your color anymore. Where is my pretty color? Orange, orange, orange. I'm so sad, I want it back. Penny, please help me out. Is this your color? No, it's not. What about this one? No, no, no. Here it is, we found my color. I'm
I am red, look at me. I love my red color. Little cherry, oh no, no, I don't see your color anymore. Where is my pretty color? Red, red. I'm so sad, I want it back. Where, please, help me out. Is this your color? No, it's not. What about this one? No. Here it is, we found my color. I'm so happy now.
I am blue, look at me. I love my blue color.
Little blueberry, oh no, I don't see your color anymore.
Where is my pretty color? Blue. I'm so sad, I want it back. Darling, please help me out.
Is this your color?
No, it's not.
What about this one?
No. Here it is, we found my color. I'm so happy now. Oh no, I have lost my pretty colors. Give this magic thing to me. No, it's mine. This bluegrass tastes like blueberries. Hi! If you beat me in a race, I'll return the red color to your skirt. Pick up an item and run through the gate of the same color. What gate should I run through? Dragons don't know much about colors. The Snickers are blue, so I need the blue gate. I'll be first. Oh no, I can't run through the blue gate. Take the socks. They are pink, just like the second gate. You'll have to take them if you want to win. Oh, I'm running, but the other bib is far ahead. What should I do? Yes! We have won! Congratulations! Here is your color! Hooray! My skirt is red again! Oh no, my house is ruined. Don't cry, we'll help you fix it. We just need to choose colorful details. You need boards. What color are they? The boards are brown. Now, we have to fix the walls. We'll cover the house with bricks. But what color should bricks be? Green. No. Think again. I know. The bricks are red. Got it. But we still have to fix this. What color are these curtains? Green. My house is beautiful again. Thank you. My shirt is lime green again, but my hair is still a different color. If you want, you can use my paint. But there is no purple paint. You can't get purple if you mix blue and red. Just like I said, we have found purple. Oh no, I have lost my pretty colors. I wouldn't leave it like that if I were you.
The color is gone. No, no, no. What have I done? Oh, oh, oh. This is not the color I need. No, it doesn't fit. What is the right color? Where is the right color? Let us find it now. Blue, blue will do. Found you. The color is gone. No, no, no. What have I done? Oh, oh, oh. This is not the color I want. Let us see what you got. What is the right color? Where is the right color? Let us find it now. Pink, pink will do. I found you. The color is gone. No, no, no. What have I done? Oh, oh, oh. This is not the color I need. No, it doesn't fit. What is the right color? Where is the right color? Let us find it now. Orange will do. I found you. The color is gone. No, no, no. What have I done? Oh, oh, oh. This is not the color I want. Let us see what you've got. What is the right color? Where is the right color? Let us find it now. These ones will do. I found you.
Yeah, bath time bubbles. Uh-oh, careful, Leo, look. It's too full. Lucy, take cover! The bath's overflowing! Oops! Too late! Yikes! It's washing the colors away! Yuck! Everything's gloomy gray! Don't cry! We'll get the colors back! Leo, look what's happened! Can you think what to do? Oh, he's got a plan! Leo, is that color black? But Lucy likes colors! No, stop! It's gonna be too dark! Oh, everything's boring black! Spider likes it, though! Leo, come on, we've gotta change it! Looks like we're going with green! Lucy, now you've got a greenhouse! It's like a Jurassic jungle! I think Frog wants to be friends, Lucy! We're trying blue now, are we? 3, 2, 1, liftoff! We're in space! Time for a color change! Huh? Glittering gold? Who painted this color? Sunshine shared his color with us! Oh no! Go away, big black clouds! No, not again! Who's this? Look! Mom's got the magic touch! Go, Leo, go! Your turn, Lucy! A perfect pink bedroom! Mom's the best!
1, 2, 3, look! It's pink! But I like it black! Everything will be pink! Everything will be black! No, pink! Pink! Black! Pink! Black!
You did it! You did it! You did it! No, you! I'll steal your color! No! I'll steal your color!
Where are we? We are on the island of colors. Black and pink leaders are fighting because of us. Watch out! You saved me! But your wings have lost color! I'm gonna catch the leaders and fix everything! Almost got it! I've caught the black leader! Danger! A color trap! Be Be careful next time! You guys need to stop fighting! Look what you've done! Let's be friends! Colors can combine with one another without fighting, see? But first, we'll get Denny's color back. Green and purple for Denny. Brown and white for Coconut. Red, black, and white are good for a snake. Oops, it's not a snake. I'll try again. And there is red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple in the rainbow. Wow! I like the colors red, orange, and yellow. And I like green, blue, and purple.
Now I believe colors can be together! So can we!
Could you please create a pink and black portal for sending us home? We've made peace between black and pink! Yay! Oops!
Whee! Roller coaster fun! Ah! It's Rotten Raccoon! Yikes! Leo's gray! Your color's been stolen!
We will return your color!
Give Leo his color back! Watch out, kids! Now he's stolen red! Stop, you robbing raccoon! Yuck! Gray ice cream? No! Unicorn's blue is gone! We need to stop him! Careful, kids! He wants more colors! Oh no, Penny! You're gray, not green! Yeah! Oops! It's gone! Quick! Hide, kids! Now he's got purple and yellow. His paint machine's full! Oh, he's so rude! He's trying to escape! Stop! You don't need any more colors! No! Not Sun's yellow! How are we gonna stop him? Way to go, Leo! Haha! You're gray! pretty pink. Rainbow raccoon. Leo, look! The lever! Quick! Pull! Spin that wheel! Whoa! He dropped it! Lucy, you're the color controller now! Raccoon's seeing stars instead of colors! Yeah! Lucy's coloring the world! Everyone's happy again!
I'm sorry. I won't do it again.
I think he's learned his lesson, Lucy. Colorful friends together!